Living with pet turns your home into a battlefield. Pet are all over your face, and that tension makes you wanna bolt. Now with this purifier as your lifesaver, German tech grabs every stray hair, so you will stop coughing up for its special salad. Filters bite to avoid that gross. Pet smile for good, plus it zaps dust mites and allergens, wiping both allergy wrongers and your fur baby within a hairless shell. Easy to use, built to last, and a lifetime warranty. Grab one for your cool now.